Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Saint, a former Marine, helping you behind the scenes, and today we've got something crazy. Now, in case you're new to fragrances, there are these things called niche fragrance houses. This is just a fancy way of saying they specialize in fragrances and fragrances only. Now, one of my favorite niche houses, even if I had never smelled them, just off presentation and the look of the bottle alone, which is actually what got me into trying them out in the first place, Mind Games. SAINTYIM 20 for 20% off. I got that purely by chance. I ran into the owner of Mind Games at a store one day. They were just getting into Neiman Marcus, Macy's, and Nordstrom. If you don't even want to watch the rest of the video and you want to take that code and run with it, go for it. Because Mind Games is not cheap. Trust me, I know. I got 3 of them things and I paid for them. So getting a free package from Mind Games definitely saves a little bit of a hole in my wallet. That 20% discount you get off of Mind Games is more than how much some fragrances cost alone. We got a nice bundle of bubble wrap. I'm just kidding. All right, let's get to it. Judging by the shape of this box, I'm gonna guess it's a fragrance. I could be wrong. I remember now. If you're wondering why this fragrance came in a box like that, I forgot. I actually requested this one. I asked for this because this was requested so many times by you guys. Y'all have been glazing this. Y'all better not let me down. Ooh, ooh. Hey, you did not let your boy down on that one. Ooh, magnetic cap. Whether or not you like Mind Games, hey, you cannot hate on the presentation. All right, even got the notes on the back of the bottle. I can appreciate that. Bro's not even gonna tell us what it smells like. Hey, shh, this will get its own video later. You already know Mind Games goes on the top shelf. Now, what do we have here? We have, oh, 2 boxes. Okay, is that everything? Okay, then you can f off. 2 of their newest releases, Mentor and Prodigy. We'll start with the white box. I can already feel the stupid comments coming. You know what? We'll start with the black box, okay? Social media is ridiculous. Mentor. I truly believe that Mind Games is one of those few super crazy expensive niche brands that, in my humble opinion, is worth the coin. Let's open. Oh, God. Look at that bad boy right there. Oh my goodness. Oh, they even came with testing strips. Somebody come take a look at this. Somebody come take a look at this. I have no idea what this is. Oh, they sent vials of amber and oud, yo. Okay. I don't know if this is how you actually say it, but they said some boya oud and amber. I have to assume by the size of the bottle, this is extremely concentrated. It even has a cap inside the cap. Oh, that is nice. Ooh. So that's what amber smells like. Yeah, I'm keeping you. All right, let's go ahead and smell this boya oud. Ooh, some leaked out. Uh-oh. You know my finger's gonna smell. Oh yeah, that's oud, all right. Gonna go ahead and put these right here. I have to keep the box. I have to. This box is way too nice for me to throw away. I'm keeping the box. And then what's in this pamphlet? SAINTYIM, you almost know your followers, but your engagement sucks. Please figure it out and be better. Cold hard truth, smoking like a real mentor. Next, we got I didn't even smell it actually. Oh, magnetic caps, love it. Oh, my younger fellas. Unless you are ready to actually be a mentor to somebody. Yeah, you ain't ready for this. But to my older heads, this is for the guys that are already taking life head on. I don't even know if I'm ready for this. This lives up to the name mentor. Dude, I don't even know if I'm ready to wear this yet. But man, if you're a self-made man, you don't care about anybody else, you're already on your path, mentor embodies that. Wow. Damn, that's crazy. Dude, I wanna wear this. I genuinely wanna wear this. I don't know if I live up to this yet. That's crazy. What a release. What a release by Mind Games. Oh, sorry, initio side effect, you coming down. I don't know her husband, but Mariana, oh my goodness, ma'am. Keep doing you. Next, we got Prodigy. Oh, that's crazy. These straight up say, samples not for sale. Flammable, avoid spraying in the eyes. Don't tell me what to do, watch this. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that, ow. This one's got Rose Absolute and Patchouli. What is Rose Absolute? I can only imagine this will smell like a rose. Whoa. Patchouli I'm a little bit more familiar with because we did smell a lot in Dubai. Yeah, okay. Another pamphlet saying, yeah, congratulations on becoming Twitch partner. How you did is beyond me. Twitch must have really be scraping the bottom of the barrel. Oh, God, my back from carrying this fucking conversation. It's kind of like when I hit Sergeant in the Marines. Marine Corps really messed up there. And now let's get to the fragrance. Jeez, man, like presentation's just 10 out of 10, man. Ooh. Mind Games, what are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? I don't know if it's because I saw the name first, but a Prodigy is fitting. Some clean cut Prodigy walking around. Everyone's looking up to them. Like, I feel like I'm getting a mind game played with me right now. They give you the title of the fragrance, you smell the fragrance, and you can actually see some Prodigy walking around wearing this. I can see it. That's crazy. Ooh, That is pleasant. That is just rich, floral, and just sophisticated. From the chest theme to the presentation, the names, and the fragrances themselves, Mind Games stays one of my favorite niche houses of all time. I know they're expensive, but man, yeah, they put work in for sure. If you guys are ever looking to get Mind Games, SAINTYIM 20, you're gonna want it. We're gonna make a little Oreo on the top shelf right here. For anyone wondering, because I can already hear the comments coming, guys, I am not sponsored. I did not get paid for this video. I don't get paid to ever talk about them. I was literally only able to secure a code. I met the owner at Bloomingdale's. If she hadn't put in a word for me, I would not have a code for y'all. I know Mind Game fragrances ain't cheap, but if you have the coin for it, you are ready to step up your game. Give Mind Games a shot. They are now in Bloomingdale's, Macy's, and Nordstrom, so you can go over there and sample it. Do not blind buy Mind Games. You will be so mad at yourself if you don't like the fragrance. Even if you don't like the fragrance, though, when you smell it, you will admit, oh yeah, this is quality. But no, yeah, don't sample, but yeah, nah, sample before you buy. I admit, I don't always sample before I buy. Do as I say, not as I do though, because I do not recommend blind these. Sample these bad boys and gals before you just full send it. But I promise you, you will find a Mind Games fragrance that you like, and it will most likely become one of, if not your signature fragrance. Funny thing was, the original purpose of this video, it was gonna be on TikTok. Definitely not gonna be able to shorten it that much. This is definitely gonna be a longer video on YouTube. I will do a full Mind Games fragrance ranking of the 6 Mind Games that I have soon. But that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm Saint, your hidden assistant, and I'll see you guys next time.